NPO BARS Research and Production Association, founded in 1999 by a group of engineers who previously worked in the defense industry, specializes in the development and manufacture of intellectual technology for different industry sectors. One of our main directions of activity is development and implementation of scientifically intensive woodworking technology. Innovative BARS sawmilling equipment for small and medium-sized businesses is successfully used in different regions of our country, as well as Belarus, China, Bosnia-Herzegovina, and Sri Lanka. At present, BARS machines are the only machines in Russia to provide the greatest lumber yield of quarter-sawn and semi-quarter-sawn lumber from a single log. BARS sawmills are characterized by the following advantages: obtaining high-quality edged lumber of excellent geometry in one cut. The machine can replace several machines, so the required floor area is significantly reduced, as well as the number of workers and power consumption. With the help of BARS machines, you can not only obtain edged lumber of high commercial value, but also increase the productivity of sawmilling and woodworking companies. Thanks to the Optima and monitoring software, it is possible to make an optimal cutting chart for each log individually and monitor the work of the personnel. The monitoring program provides 100% automatic tracking of raw material, lumber, working hours, idle time, and personnel performance. The Optima program ensures the following: an increased yield of 5 to 10% in edged lumber and an increased yield of 25 to 30% in quarter sawn when cutting according to the quarter sawn cutting chart. Productivity increases of 15 to 20%. Reduction of machine training time for an operator with attainment of full production capacity in 3 to 5 working days. BARS cutting technology allows inclusion in production lines. Among other advantages of BARS equipment, the following can be named: high reliability, easy maintenance, operational safety, and capability to operate in an intensive manufacturing cycle. Payback period for BARS machines, 8-hour, 2-shift work, is 7 to 9 months. Software hardware systems, Optima, and monitoring developed by BARS experts are used with BARS machines to provide automatic monitoring and optimization of the saw cut. Optima program ensures the control of the machine via a special interface between the processor of the PC and the microprocessor of the machine with the help of a special software package installed in the computer. No sorting the logs is necessary. The system generates a cutting chart for each log individually. After the log is loaded on the machine, the operator enters the geometrical characteristics of the log into the program: diameter of the top, diameter of the butt, length of the log. After that, the program is ready for complex mathematical calculations. Just several seconds are required to define the best place to cut this or that type of lumber from the log, to calculate the yield of edged lumber, the number of items for each variant of the scheme: quarter sawn, semi-quarter sawn, and slash sawn lumber, as well as the percent of sawdust in remaining slabs. This allows getting rational saw cut of the log, choosing the most preferable variants of ways of cutting the log, and minimizing waste. Monitoring program, functioning in conjunction with special technical devices installed on the machine, collects full data on operations of the BARS machine. This provides 100% automatic tracking of raw material, lumber, idle time, and personnel performance over the shift. The database information can be used in warehousing and accounting programs, and for the control and analysis of the efficiency and management of the cutting process. BARS 1A machines are designed for cutting logs into high-quality edged lumber. They are used to manufacture glulam beams, edged glued panel, window trim, molding, and furniture components. BARS 1A machines implement the principle of angular cutting. The log is cut with the help of 2 saw blades, one cutting in the horizontal plane and the other in the vertical plane. The operator controls the movement of the blades with the help of the control panel. Different modifications of angular sawmilling machines allow the cutting of logs up to 7 meters long and up to 1 meter in diameter, and obtain lumber of different rectangular cross-sections, beams, boards, laths of excellent surface quality. BARS 1A machines can be installed in a workshop of 120 square meters. The productivity of BARS 1A machine is 12,000 cubic meters per year. The log is secured in the movable carriage of the machine. BARS 1A starts cutting after the optimal cutting chart is calculated. Actual dimensions of the log, top diameter, butt diameter, and length, dimensions of lumber required, and cutting criteria are entered to obtain quarter sawn and semi-quarter sawn lumber. The best variant is chosen automatically. Corrections are made if necessary. After that, the cutting chart is calculated in 2 or 3 seconds, and the sequence of saw blade movements are programmed. During the process of cutting, the operator does not need to enter the parameters of saw blade movement. This is done by the optimization system. However, the operator may switch between the modes and choose the manual mode and then return to automatic. The lumber is removed manually. Sawmill machine BARS DG is universal. It is designed for cutting the logs into edged or unedged boards, beam or two-edge beam. BARS DG is used mainly at woodworking and construction companies. BARS DG implements the principle of horizontal cutting. The cutting is performed by 2 saw blades in the horizontal plane. The operator controls the machine with the help of the remote control, minimizing manual operations. BARS DG can cut logs 1 to 6.5 meters long. With the help of saw blades 600 millimeters in diameter, a log 360 millimeters in diameter can be cut without canting, and a log up to 510 millimeters in diameter can be cut with canting. With the help of BARS DG, high-quality surface lumber can be obtained. The log is secured on the stationary machine bed. The log is clamped and aligned with the help of hydraulic clamps. Let's start cutting the log. The speed of the bridge movement is gradually adjusted depending on the load of the saw blades. The precision of the movement of the support is provided by the controller processing the signals from the angular movement sensor. Now we are cutting half timber and backing boards. If the diameter of the log is large enough, all operations will be performed without canting the log, which will result in the significant reduction of working time. If the diameter of the log is more than 360 millimeters, we put the log on the side, cut the slab and backing boards. We get half timber left on the machine bed. Now we cut the half timber into an edged board of set size. The required data is entered into the controller in digital form. The cut lumber is removed automatically by the reverse movement of the bridge. When using BARS DG machine as a secondary machine together with BARS angular machines, Optima 4.0 is used to calculate the package beam, which will afterwards be cut into boards. The productivity of such a combination of machines is increased 2 times.